Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I'm so sorry I've not voiced over in such a long time. I've just been really busy and I just thought I'd rather get content up without a voiceover than not. So, and I'm a little bit poorly as well, so you can probably hear that in my man voice right now. But yeah, I'm just coming in. So this is a set in my previous video where I was showing you my acrylic application. This is that set. So I'm just going in with Goddess Wicked White and I'm just doing the 2 middle fingers with that. And then I'm going to go in with Goddess Blackjack on the rest of the fingers. So just going to let you watch a minute. So I don't know about you guys, but I always make a mess with darker colours, so I've just got my cleanup brush here, dipped it in a little bit of acetone, and I'm just wiping around the cuticle area and side balls where I've got a little bit on my skin. We want to get that off as quick as possible because we do not want to be causing anybody any allergies. So yeah, I'll try to be as neat as I can, but sometimes it just can't be helped. So anyway, I'll let you watch again and I'll be back in a minute. So as you can see, I've just done the second coat of white, and on the black I'm just going straight in with my Kiara Sky top coat on the black nails, just because one coat coverage was enough, because I'm going to be going over it anyway. But if I wasn't going over it with something anyway, then I would generally do 2 coats. But to be honest, Goddess gel polishes have amazing coverage. So yeah. So I'm popping this top coat on, and then I'm going to ask my client to pop a hand in the lamp for half the cure time. So Kiara Sky is 60 seconds in at LED, so I popped them in for 30. And now I'm just popping on some pink chrome from Sparkle Supplies UK. As you know, all products and everything that I've used will be in the description box anyway, but yeah, this stuff is so easy to use. It just glides on, literally, like, and my client loved it. She's like, oh my god, it's like a mirror. So yeah, I'm just just rubbing that on with the eyeshadow applicator that comes with it. And just really rub it in. And just making sure I've got the free edge there as well. And then I'm just going to get my little fluffy dusty brush and just dust off any excess from around the cuticle area. We don't want messy looking nails, we need them nice and neat. So anyway, I'm going to top coat them again. And again, I'm only going to cure for half the time, because with chromes I like to double top coat. With it being a no white top coat, a half cure so that it's still a little bit tacky, so the next layer has got something to stick to, if that makes any sense. And then I'm just going to top coat these two middle ones. Now comes the fun bit. So I forgot to record on the other hand that I was already recording on, so I've just recorded this hand for this design. I did do the same, you'll see in the end picture anyway that it is just the same on the other hand. So I'm just going on drawing a few squiggles with my sharpie, and then I'm using a little bit of like gel cleanser to just disperse the ink and just create this lovely marble. So I'm just going to let you guys watch because I don't want to bore you to tears, but I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram. All links and everything, the products will be in the description box. And I hope to see you in the next one. So thanks for joining, guys. Bye.